All right, what is up, coaster people? It is March 21st, the second weekend since the COVID-19 epidemic closed most of the amusement park industry. As of right now, there are 8 parks still open. We are at one of them, that is Funspot Orlando in Orlando, Florida. But I would like to focus on something other than the COVID-19 epidemic today, and that is the fact that my 5-year-old daughter, Bean, is going to be getting her 100th credit today on White Lightning, and I'm so excited for her. I can't wait for her to do it. We will see you guys in there. After a 12-hour drive from Louisville, we are here. We're gonna also hit Kissimmee today, which has my favorite roller coaster, Mind Blower. All right, you ready to try to go get your 100th coaster? Your 100th. All right, and here we go. Of course, first ride of the day. Maybe we can do this. We'll see, okay, sweetheart? Ready, Boogie? This will be number 100. Boogie, look. You excited? Yeah. Go. I can't believe you saw it. All right, Lavina, you just rode your 100th roller coaster, White Lightning. What'd you think about it?
I think it was great.
You rode it in the front and the back. Which one did you like more?
The front.
The front? Did it have good airtime?
Yes.
Here, those are called GCIs. You haven't ridden a lot of those.
I know.
You were just barely tall enough. That's your 100th roller coaster. That's insane. Are you ready to go ride it some more?
Yes.
How awesome is that? You want to give me a high five? Let's go do it. Again, a GCI, I never cared for it too much, but I always rode it in the back. Lately, when we visited, I've rode it in the front. It's a completely different ride, complete 180. You get much better airtime, definitely a front row ride, and I've learned to enjoy it and appreciate it for what it is in the front. You said what, Bug?
This is the best ride.
This is better than White Lightning? Now we're gonna do front row boogie. Alright, and that's it from the Orlando location for now. Now it's to Funspot Kissimmee for my favorite roller coaster of all time, Mind Blower. I could imagine we'll be back here for night rides, just so she can experience this with all the lights on the lift hill. Alright, and again, earlier today was Bean's first ever rides on White Lightning, so of course she's never ridden it at night, so we had to come back from Kissimmee after all those rides on Mind Blower and get her some night rides on White Lightning, and probably, of course, Freedom Flyer. Go, Boogie, go! No, don't stumble, no! No, run! And now the wild coaster animal takes off for another victim. Look at her. 4 rides on White Lightning and now to ride Freedom Flyer. 9 more on White Lightning, a whole new appreciation for that, a few more on Freedom Flyer, and that is it. I don't know when we're going to be able to hit parks again. I don't know when this whole hibernation is going to end, but until then, ride on.